Hi, I'm Jon DeSouza, President and CEO of HARTING Americas. So 2020 marks the 75th anniversary of HARTING, creating connectivity solutions that are globally recognized and certified as standards in industrial markets. And this year, we're so proud to say that we've done it again in single-pair Ethernet technology with our T1 industrial connector. The fourth industrial revolution is one that is already changing the landscape of industrial manufacturing. From increased analytics to peer-to-peer communication and machine learning, it's now more important than ever to have clear standards in place for rapid development, as well as development of new products to meet manufacturing demands. HARTING has been working not only with industry leaders, but also global standard bodies and organizations to bring a clear industrial standard to the table, which is our T1 industrial connector. HARTING's T1 Industrial will bring Ethernet and power down to the plant floor level, utilizing power over data line technology. This will mitigate the need for different communication protocols from control rooms all the way down to sensors and devices. So that will allow for much faster commissioning time of field devices. So HARTING is also addressing the full single-pair Ethernet infrastructure with unmanaged switches as well as metered converters. This ensures that we're providing the complete portfolio and solutions to our customers for all industrial applications, as well as adapt and develop to changing manufacturing needs. And to align with our critical single-pair Ethernet technology needs, HARTING has created a partner network both here in North America and globally, working with cable and chipset manufacturers, as well as OEMs to get their commitment to single-pair Ethernet, and so that way we can push that technology even further and quicker. With these partnerships in place, we can truly focus on the technology to add product and performance variations and put more standards in place. This effort will enable fast and reliable decision-making in the world of single-pair Ethernet technology. We look forward to supporting the industrial market with this game-changing technology for decades to come.